In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Starling Bank abroad. Starling Bank does not charge any fees for using your debit card overseas. This includes both purchases and ATM withdrawals. You can withdraw cash from ATMs abroad without incurring fees from Starling. However, be aware that some ATM operators may impose their own charges. These fees are outside the Starling's control, so it's advisable to check for any on-screen notifications about charges before proceeding with the withdrawal. When making purchases or withdrawing cash, always opt to pay in local currency rather than GBP. This ensures you receive the competitive MasterCard exchange rate. And finally, the Starling app provides instant notifications for all transactions, displaying both local currency amount and its equivalent in GBP. This feature helps you keep track of your spending on real time.